Hello everybody, and welcome to Risk of Rain 2. Finally, I got the intro right. Now, this is my new addiction. And I'm definitely going to absolutely enjoy this. Some more. I've never had a good run, really. I had a 70-minute run on the easiest difficulty level, which... yeah, let's just get started here. Now, I suck at this game, so do not expect me to make it off the first plateau, and do not expect this video to be very long. I'm recording it because it is quick, because it's most likely going to be very quick. Give me that. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so screwed. Every time I start to do one of these runs, it's like, oh, I'm so screwed. Is anyone around? Oh, I heard things spawn. Give me money so that I may, oh, do not fall off. I want the chest. Alright. That's a pretty decent one. Yeah, I should explain how this game works real quick, saying is nothing is going really on right now. You get items that improve your run. Every item has a different amount it'll improve your run. This one just gives me a shield whenever I kill things. So, as you may notice, I have a shield over me whenever I kill things. It basically keeps me from dying as easily, although I'm pretty sure it's not going to save me. Anyway, let's see if I can't find it in their items. I also don't think I'm going to make the 10-minute chest for a little while at least, because I need to get good at shooting enemies first. Oh, hey, these things like to kill me. Yeah, there are a bunch of other abilities that you may see me also using, like the rolling ability and that right-click ability I just popped off. There's an ability that I can fire off with the R button, but without enemies to shoot at right at the moment, I'm not going to do that. Come on, I need a chest game. Give me a chest. Oh, hello. You guys like dying. I see that now. Anyway, let's see if we can't find another chest. Also, you may notice that the difficulty has definitely been slowly creeping up. That's how this game works. This game basically creeps the difficulty up very slowly to the Dark Souls level difficulty we all know and love. I don't really love the Dark Souls level difficulty, but as long as it creeps up to that degree, I'm fine with difficulty being at that level. But you gotta creep up to that. You can't just start off like that. I may or may not be making this game a little hard. That bridge is infested with enemies. Let me see what... oh, hi thing. Die thing. Oh, bloody hell, I think I'm going to sneeze. Bloody hell! Anyway. You can bless me in the comment section, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. Oh boy. I see death slowly encroaching, so I'm just gonna run off in this direction. You guys are not friendly. Please blaze their shield. Please kill them now. That was not good. No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 Oh, hey, look at that. There's things here. Battle standard. I'll take the extra boss damage, thank you. Give me the meat, because it allows me to stay alive longer. Still looks like I'm getting a teddy bear. Yeah, fuck that damage. Oh yeah, this is very much not happening. Doink! Please kill something. Thank you. The meat item basically allows me to heal when I kill thin monsters, so... Oh my god, Steam, please. I'm gonna have one of those pop up every single video, ain't I? Until I learn to tell it not to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna get angry comments on it too. I'm accepting my life decisions. Okay, now let's see if we can finally pick up the teddy bear. Alright, block the damage, Mr. Fluffy. Ouch! Oh, the teleporters are down here. Oh no. That's not good. I need to get the teleporter to make it to the next stage. Haha, I smacked you in the face. Where's the teleporter? Oh, this is bad. Oh, I thought I was fighting next to the teleporter. I wonder if it's in here. It probably is. Oh god. The teleporter isn't in here, is it? Please do not kill me. Please do not kill me. Oh, I'm so screwed. Oh, medkit. Well, I know how I avoid damage now. That's a funny little sound effect. Nope. Oh god, I really want to find that teleporter before the difficulty ticks up. Oh, healing drum. That's nice. That little guy that I just fought there just floats around me and heals me. Where in the heck is the teleporter? Oh no! I don't like falling at great distances unless I have to. I just remembered, I don't have a combat drone, so these guys aren't going away. Looks like I gotta start shooting like a pretty boy. Or I'm just going to die. Okay, Lord of Mercy. I'm so dying. Oh my lord, I'm so dying. Still at full health. Not dead yet. I heal as long as I'm killing things. I think I'm ready to go find the teleporter now. I got enough of them dead. No, it's not that way. It didn't... It's the only place it could be. Oh god. Oh. Hey, look, it's 10 minutes of an 11-minute video or whatever. This is lasting longer than I thought it would. Too bad I'm about to tick up to medium. In the middle of fighting the boss. It's definitely gotta be here. I just don't know where. Oh god, the enemies are gonna get stronger. Game, where's the teleporter? Oh, well, you see, I didn't get the 10-minute chest. I didn't clear 3 stages. Oh well. Oh, decisions are definitely not well made here. This could rain too. Go! Run! Where's the teleporter? Oh god, it just ticked up to medium. Oh no. Everything is stronger now. Everything gets stronger, chests get more expensive. Don't tell me it was down here more the whole time. It was not. Now, I'm beginning to question my sanity. I don't have anything to boost my speed, so I'm going really slow. Don't you just love life? Give me something to make me go faster. No, we'll just stun enemies on hit. That's fine. Yeah, you losers like, try and keep hitting me. It's definitely not working. You know, this is the one time I think the red whip would actually come in handy. In any other circumstance, the red whip would be completely worthless. Level up. Well, I'm just gonna end this run because I can't find the teleporter. Pretty much. That's probably something. And there's an angry boy. Yay. You know what? Screw it. If death is coming, I'm taking you all with me. Death is coming. I'm taking all of you with me. If I can't find the teleporter, I wasn't going to survive the teleporter. I think it's very clear. I wasn't going to survive the teleporter.